Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the battery is 12V and then disconnect the negative terminal, safety first. Next, identify the ignition switched plus 12V and the parking light circuit so you know where to tap. Strip minimal insulation and prep wires with crimp connectors and shrink tubing to prevent corrosion. Use a multimeter to verify the switch source only powers with ignition on. This prevents draining the battery. Once done, attach the DRL ground to a bare chassis point and keep wires routed away from heat and moving parts. You now wire a 4-pin relay so the DRL only runs when ignition is on. The relay isolates high current and protects factory circuits. Connect pin 86 to the ignition switched plus 12V, pin 85 to ground, pin 30 to fused battery plus 12V, and pin 87 to the DRL plus lead. Tap the parking light or turn signal wire if you want dim-on or flash-off behavior. This lets the DRL dim when parking lights activate. Once connected, secure all terminals with heat shrink, mount the relay, and zip-tie wiring harnesses neatly away from sharp edges. You finish by reconnecting the battery negative and testing every mode. Ignition on for DRL, parking lights for dim behavior, and turn signals for flash-off. If the DRL remains on with ignition off, recheck that you tapped a true ignition switched plus 12V. Use the multimeter to confirm there is no constant power. If the DRL does not light, check the inline fuse first, then ensure relay clicks and pin 30 supplies fused battery voltage. One quick troubleshooting tip. A poor ground is the most common issue. Clean and reattach grounds securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.